Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to reset password on ClickUp. Maybe you've forgotten your current password or you suspect unauthorized access to your account. So today I'm going to show you how to reset password on ClickUp. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open the ClickUp application and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you will be taken to the home page. In this page, tap on the three lines icon on the top left corner of the screen. A panel will appear at the left side, and here, tap on the gear icon on the top right to open the settings page. In this page, scroll up, and under More section, you can now see this Reset Password option. Simply tap on it. You will be directed to this page where you will enter your email address. Once you are done, tap on this Send me the link button. Now, open the email sent by ClickUp. In this email, tap on this Reset Password button and follow the next steps to make a new password for your account. After that, you now have successfully reset the password of your ClickUp account. You can now regain access to your account and protect your sensitive information from potential breaches. There you go. If you wanted to know how to reset password on ClickUp, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to reset password on ClickUp, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.